Today I'm going to show you how to make a super flaky salmon with a fresh gremolata. You're going to want to be careful with this recipe. Cooking it for somebody might make them fall dangerously in love with you and give them the desire to start a beautiful, long-lasting relationship where you can talk about anything and everything. You become best friends, soulmates. The emotional bond you share can only be rivaled by the unquenchable lust you have for each other. You become one through body, mind, and spirit. Unless they don't like fish.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Let's start by making our gremolata. You're gonna need parsley. You're gonna need a parcel of parsley. Parcel of parsley on the floor. It's fine. It's fine. Ball up that parsley. Now we're gonna chop our parsley. You want your parsley to be super fine. Like me. I'm super fine. I'm cutting it super fine so the presentation's really nice at the end. But if you don't care about presentation and making things pretty, then don't do it this way. This is the level of fineness I'm looking for. Toss that into a bowl without making a big old mess. We're gonna add a little kick to this guy. Little chili pepper. I should be using gloves, but I'm not going to. No waste. Woo! Woo! Should have had some waste. That'll wake up your nips. Little tiny lanyards. We're gonna do little tiny lanyards. Zoom in. Ugh, oh, it's in my face. It's in my ears. There's a fire engine. I didn't even add that in post-production. That's actually a real fire engine. Dice up your chili. Gremolata doesn't traditionally use chili peppers, but I like to add a little pain to my life.
It makes me feel alive.
Add that to our bowl. Today we eat like kings. Oof. Yep, that's inside me. Now we're gonna do a few capers. Ooh, capers are so good. I love capers so much. I could eat this pile right now, it'd make me really happy. But I'm not gonna do it because I need to cook for you guys. We're gonna chop up our capers. Yeah. Add your capers to the bowl. Capers are good. Capers are good. Oh, spicy fingers. Now we're gonna add the zest of about 1 lemon. You're the zest around. Nothing's ever gonna bring you down. We the Zest music. I'm also gonna use the microplaned for our garlic. It's gonna give us a nice fresh garlic paste. I'm gonna do 2 cloves because I'm not kissing anyone tonight. We're also gonna do a little freshly squeezed lemon juice. Brighten things up. Little fruit muffins. Little tiny drizzle of olive oil. You don't need too much. So many pretty colors. Check it out. Come over here. Get over here, camera. To show people this. Look at the pretty colors. Look at the pretty colors. Look at them. Look at the pretty. Sorry. All the flavors become friends. And that's our gremolata. Fish better have my money. Let's make our salmon. For the salmon, we're gonna keep it really simple. Just a little bit of S&P. I'm gonna close that window, it's a bit loud. You son of a gun, I see you, I see you. Little bit of S&P 500. Let's get cooking, good looking. Woo! I'm gonna do a medium to medium high, a little bit between that. A little bit of olive oil. Put the fish skin side down. This piece of salmon is super thick, so I wanna make sure that my heat isn't too high, or else I'm gonna burn the outside and the inside's still gonna be raw. That being said, if you got your fish from a good fish butcher, you can eat it raw. But that's not what we're doing today. We're not eating it raw today. I'm gonna do a little flip. Oh yeah, little flip. Now we're gonna add in a little bit of butter. I'm also gonna do some crushed garlic. And now we baste it like we would baste a steak. I want it pink on the inside, so I'm gonna pull it off now. That makes me happy. Now let's plate our salmon. Plating couldn't be easier. First, you wanna find yourself a fancy plate. Now we're gonna put down our gorgeous butter-basted salmon, and then we're gonna top it off with that super fresh gremolata. And that's how you make the most perfect salmon with gremolata. Time to stuff our face. Salmon is such a good fish. Super flaky, super buttery. Don't sleep on that gremolata. Something fishy's going on around here. Bye, friends. Fish is so good. I love fish so much.